Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to look at animal diets, and this is so. I hope you are going to enjoy the lesson. Um, so by the end of the lesson, I would expect that you are able to identify different types of animals and from where do they get their food from. Okay, so now let's start. Animal diet. Different kinds of animal eat different types of food. Carnivores eat a diet of meat. Herbivores have a diet of plants, and omnivores eat both. So we are going to ask ourselves, what is a carnivore, what is a herbivore, and what is an omnivore? So what is a carnivore? Okay, so now let's understand what a carnivore is. A carnivore is an animal that gets food from killing. Examples: lion, shark, crocodile, owl, and eagle. These animals, they feed on other animals. So that's why they are called carnivores. Okay? Um, let's go to another one. We have omnivore animals. These are animals that can feed on both plants and animals. For example, we have a bear, a pig, hedgehog, skunks, mice, rats, and chimpanzees. So these animals, they feed on both plants and animals. So you find they eat the flesh of the animals, they eat meat, and they eat plants as well. You'd find them eating the leaves or the plants or the fruits of the plants. That's why they are known as omnivores. And to add on that, even humans, people like us, we are omnivores. We eat plants and we eat animals as well. Yes, I know most of you might be surprised why I'm. Remember that we eat the meat of the animal. We eat cow, we eat goat, we eat sheep, okay? We eat fish. We are eating actually animals, so we fall under omnivores. And we eat, yes. And the last one is the herbivore animals. These are animals that feed on plants. Example, sheep, cow, goat, rabbit, horse, zebra, koala, and deer. These animals, they feed on plants. That's why they are known as herbivores. So meat and plants, just like I told you. But some prefer to have a vegetarian diet and not eat meat. An example of a carnivore, we say that carnivores are animals that eat animals. They feed on animals alone. So like we have the lion. A lion is a carnivore, okay? And then we have the rabbit. Rabbit will feed on plants. So it is a herbivore because it feeds on plants alone. And then we have the chimpanzee. A chimpanzee will feed on plants, okay? And that's it. So now let's get to understand more about this. So now you understand that a lion is a carnivore and it feeds on only the flesh. And then a chimpanzee feeds on both plants and animals. Okay, so now you have the questions here for you to answer. Which animal is a carnivore? Which animal is a herbivore? And which animal is an omnivore? So can you try and group these animals according to their herbivore and which one is omnivore? Okay, so that is an assignment for you to do. Okay, that's it. Small video here that we are going to watch, okay? And as we watch the video, I would like us to learn some more as we answer the questions. Do you have a pet? So we have a goldfish over here, and it was bought from a pet shop. You can see it eats on plants. You can look at the cat. The cat is enjoying eating the meat. And then we have the rabbit over here. The rabbit eats the plants, okay? It eats on plants only, so it means that it is an herbivore. What does a bird eat? The birds eat grains, okay? But you can see this bird is eating the worms. Okay, when you look at this sheep on the farm, the sheep is feeding on a plant, okay? And it's feeding on the grass. And cows feed on grass as well, okay? So they graze on the grass and that is where they get their food from. So a cow is a herbivore, okay? So most of the animals you find on the they feed on grass. You can even see the goat is eating the hay. So that is what they mostly feed on. The goats like to eat on hay. Chickens eat grains. So what do you think? This hedgehog is enjoying eating the worms. And then some animals like birds, they hunt on other animals. You can see this owl just got a mouse. So the owl is feeding and what they eat. So okay, so that's all for today and have a nice day. Bye bye.